Dormouse. The dormouse is a small, nocturnal rodent that belongs to the family Gliridae. They are known for their long periods of hibernation, during which they slow down their metabolic rate and lower their body temperature in order to conserve energy. Dormice are found throughout Europe, Asia, and Africa, and there are over 20 different species. They have soft, thick fur and a long, bushy tail. They are generally omnivorous, feeding on a variety of fruits, nuts, insects, and small animals. Dormice are popular as pets in some countries, but in others, they are considered a delicacy and are hunted for their meat. Many species of dormice are also threatened or endangered due to habitat loss and fragmentation. In literature, the dormouse is perhaps most famous for its appearance in Lewis Carroll's Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, where it is one of the characters at the Mad Hatter's Tea Party. Here are some interesting facts about the life of a dormouse. Number 1. Hibernation. Dormice are known for their long periods of hibernation, which can last up to 6 months in some species. During this time, they lower their body temperature and metabolic rate to conserve energy. Number 2. Arboreal. Dormice are arboreal, meaning they spend most of their lives in trees. They are excellent climbers, and their long, bushy tail helps them to balance as they move through the branches. Number 3. Reproduction. Dormice breed once or twice a year, and females typically give birth to litters of 2 to 7 young. The young are born blind and hairless and are dependent on their mother for several weeks. Number 4. Diet. Dormice are omnivorous and feed on a variety of foods, including fruit, nuts, insects, and small animals. Some species are particularly fond of hazelnuts and will store them in caches for later consumption. Number 5. Endangered. Many species of dormice are threatened or endangered due to habitat loss and fragmentation. In some countries, they are also hunted for their meat, or kept as pets. Number 6. Sleep patterns. Dormice are known for their unusual sleep patterns, which include short periods of deep sleep followed by longer periods of lighter sleep. This allows them to conserve energy while still remaining alert to potential threats. Number 7. Longevity. Dormice have a relatively long lifespan for their size, with some species living up to 5 years in the wild. However, their lifespan is often shorter in captivity. Dormice face a number of biological challenges that can impact their survival and well-being. Here are a few of these challenges. Number 1. Hibernation. While hibernation helps dormice conserve energy during the winter, it can also be a challenge for them. During hibernation, dormice are vulnerable to predators, and they may also struggle to find enough food to sustain themselves when they emerge from hibernation. Number 2. Habitat loss and fragmentation. Like many other species, dormice are impacted by habitat loss and fragmentation. As forests are cut down or fragmented, dormice may struggle to find suitable habitat and resources, which can impact their survival. Number 3. Climate change. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can impact the timing of key events in the dormouse's life cycle, such as breeding and hibernation. Climate change can also alter the availability of food and other resources. Number 4. Disease. Dormice are susceptible to a variety of diseases, some of which can have a significant impact on their population. For example, outbreaks of the squirrelpox virus have been known to devastate populations of hazel dormice. Number 5. Inbreeding. As habitat becomes fragmented and populations become isolated, dormice may become more prone to inbreeding. This can lead to reduced genetic diversity and increased susceptibility to disease and other challenges.